Is this another boring defense attorney video? No, this is an exciting video. This is a video about how to get your alcohol and drug evaluation in Seattle or anywhere in Washington State. And if you ask me, that's exciting because your alcohol and drug evaluation is going to be the key that unlocks the ability for you to get a good result in your case. And also, if you happen to have an alcohol or drug problem, it could be the key that helps you address that issue that made you sort of have to do it in the first place. That you got charged with a crime, right? So, who am I? Well, my name is Lance Fryrear. I'm a criminal defense attorney, and I own the law offices of Lance Fryrear. We've been defending people charged with crimes in Lynnwood and all throughout Washington State for over 20 years. And we have all types of our clients that need to go get an alcohol and drug evaluation. And sometimes us attorneys make an assumption that sort of what that is and what that is like. And I realize that's not the case. And so that's why I made this video, that you may not know what that's like. So what is an alcohol and drug evaluation? An alcohol and drug evaluation is where you go to an alcohol and drug evaluator and you answer some standardized questions. It's a standardized process in Washington State, and the court wants you to do this so they can make a determination if you have a problem with alcohol or drugs that contributed to the reason why you got charged with the crime that brings you to the court. And so you make an appointment. Your attorney will tell you where to go if you call us, or if you have another attorney, ask them. And it matters where you go, and I'll cover that later. But you give the evaluator a call, the agency, and you set an appointment. And usually you're going to have to wait a week or maybe more than a week to get in, and it's going to cost some money. Could cost $150, could cost $200, it depends. And then you're going to go in for your appointment date. At your appointment date, you're typically going to be asked to fill out a standardized questionnaire. Again, this is a state standardized questionnaire, and so there really aren't any surprises. Some interesting questions will be, yes or no. Oftentimes I feel depressed. Yes or no. Oftentimes I feel I have no friends. And the last year I drank to excess 0 times, 1 time, or more than 1 time. And you're going to need to answer those questions. And if you need specific advice about how to answer the questions, you can always give us a call. Obviously, they expect you to answer the questions truthfully. And so once you get done filling out the questions, they're also going to take a UA, an analysis of your urine. So don't be surprised if you're going to have to be asked to pee into a cup. And then they're going to make a determination, what's in your system. Is there any unusual drugs, bad drugs that shouldn't be there? Is there alcohol or marijuana in your system? And that's going to affect what they recommend. So once you've done the questionnaire and you've also had the UA, then they're just going to talk to you for a little bit. How do you seem? Does what you're saying make sense? Do you say you never drink, but your face is totally covered with paint from huffing? Well, that means you're probably not telling the truth. And so once they're done talking to you, they may give you a result right then, or they may wait for the results of the urinalysis result. If you have an attorney, you're going to tell the agency you only want the results sent to your attorney because we want to be able to control the information. And then you're going to have to do whatever it is they recommend. So remember where I said it's sort of important where you go? Well, in all types of businesses, there's all types of people, right? Some agencies are more likely to recommend a whole bunch of treatment. The cynics in us would say it's because they make more money. And some agencies are more likely to recommend less treatment. And the cynics on the other side would say it's because maybe they'll get more business if they recommend less treatment. In any case, it's important you talk to your attorney about who they know, who they trust, and who they recommend. So an alcohol drug evaluation is not a scary thing. It's an exciting thing because it's going to open up some doors for you. If you don't have a problem with alcohol or drugs, and that's going to help resolve your case. If you do have a problem, it's really important to get the treatment that you need. So I hope you find this video useful. If you need help from a criminal defense firm, one of the better ones in Washington State, I believe, just give us a call. Our phone number is here in this video, and we'll do everything we can to help you. We'll be there for you. Thank you.